Hello everyone. In this video, given is 4 raised to power 1 plus x plus 4 raised to power 1 minus x is equal to 10, and we have to find the value of x in this exponential equation. Let's move towards the solution. First, we become familiar with the formula that in real numbers a power mn, that is equal to a power m times a power n. So we will use this formula in the above equation. It gives us 4 power 1 plus x will become 4 power 1 into 4 power x, plus 4 power 1 minus x becomes 4 power 1 into 4 power minus x, and that is equal to 10. Now taking this 4 raised to power minus x in denominator, so it will become 4 over 4 raised to power x. And now here make a substitution. Let we say that 4 power x is equal to y. Then the above equation becomes as 4y plus 4 over y is equal to 10. And multiplying both sides by y, we will get 4y square plus 4 is equal to 10y, and if we arrange it, it will become 4y square minus 10y plus 4 is equal to 0. And we can see that this equation is a quadratic equation in y. Then using the quadratic formula, y will be equal to this one, and then we simplifying this one, we will get y is equal to this one, and square root of 36 is equal to 6. So this value of y implies y is equal to 10 plus minus 6 is equal to 8, or divided by 8. And if we split up these two values, then we will get y is equal to 2, and the other value is equal to y is equal to 1 by 2. Now first we take the case y is equal to 2. As we know that we have substituted 4x is equal to y, so from here we will get 4x is equal to 2. So from here 4 can be written as 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 power x is equal to 2 can be written as 2 power 1. And we know that if we have a power m power n, then it is equal to a power mn. So using this relation here, we will get 2 power 2x is equal to 2 power 1. Since base are same, we can equate the exponent. So 2x is equal to 1, and from here we will get x is equal to 1 by 2. So this is value of x when 4 power x is equal to 2. Now we will consider the second case when 4x is equal to 1 by 2. Again dealing in the same manner, 4 can be written as 2 power 2, and then 2 power 2x is equal to 2 power minus 1. So from here 2x is equal to minus 1, and that is gives x is equal to minus 1 by 2. There are two values of x which are 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, and these are the answers. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching. Up to the next video. Tata. Bye bye.